experience, and I'm going to show you how I clip in and clip out of our Peloton. So there's a couple different ways that I do it. Sometimes I do it one way, sometimes I do it the other. So here's the first way that I'll do it, is I'll get the pedal down, take my right foot, clip that one in, and then I'll just kind of step over, clip that in. So that's one way that I clip in. When I go to clip out, I just take my left foot and I kick my left hip out, clip that out like that, step off, clip that one out like that. Now the other way that I like to clip in is just go ahead and straddle the bike, kind of like so. Clip in that first one, sit down on the seat, roll it around, clip in the other one. Now the other way to clip out is to, of course, kick that hip out, like that, step down on the ground, and then kick that right hip out, just like that, and step out. So you've got a couple different options there for clipping in and out. That's the different ways that I like to do it, but hope this helps you out. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit like, comment. If you have a different way, let us know.